Like any professional, athletes are paid to focus on their skills. But instead of marketing or sales, it's workouts and nutrition. Professional athletes and inspiring amateurs often post their workouts on social media. But why is this the case? Sharing workouts on Instagram is an excellent way for athletes to share more about themselves and their brand, engage with their fans, and increase revenue. Let's explore each of these components in further detail. Hey guys, welcome to Creative, where we help athletes, sports marketers, and those athletic business owners learn how to build lasting legacies beyond the game. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. And today, we'll be answering the question, why do athletes Instagram their workouts? We'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Why do they post their workouts on Instagram? Well, they're trying to showcase what they're already doing. As an athlete, your time is limited. So the best way to engage with your fans is often to showcase what you're already doing. This likely includes hours of exercise and nutrition-related content. Many athletes don't understand that you don't have to go out of your way to create quality content. Fans appreciate an authentic glance into your day. It humanizes you, makes you more relatable, and creates an emotional bond with your fan base. The insight you have as a trained athlete is inevitable to your consumer. You have so much to share about maintaining a healthy mind and body, and consumers are eager to hear what you have to say. Add in the fact that you naturally participate in content-worthy, healthy, conscious activities each day, and you're a recipe for success. From your chosen protein powders to your skincare routine and exercise goals, the general public will likely take an interest. Remember to put this knowledge in an easy to follow format, whether it be on Instagram stories, written posts on LinkedIn or Facebook, or live stream on Twitter. One challenge is that many athletes are confused by the overload of social media platforms. The key is to understand that each of these tools is meant to nurture your audience, build a robust community of engaged fans, and produce lasting loyalties. When it comes to a personal brand, there are a lot of misconceptions. A personal brand is not just about you. It's about your persona, what you believe in, and what value you provide to others and what you hope to accomplish. It's an emotional connection between these things and the consumer. It's essential to understand your audience, who they are, what matters to them, their current challenges, and what motivates them to take action. A simple way to do this is to develop some brainstorming around who your buyer personas are or who your targeted fan base is. A buyer persona is a semi-functional representation of your ideal customer based on data and research. It helps you focus your time on qualified prospects, guide product development to suit the needs of your target audience, and align organization-wide efforts from brand marketing to sales and service. As a result, you're able to attract high-value visitors, connect with hotter leads, and retain happier customers. Elements of buyer personas include the demographics such as age, gender, location, household income, lifestyle, work style, personality, goals, and even their pain points. It also includes the platforms on which they prefer to dwell, whether it be on Facebook because they're an older demographic, or Instagram, early 30s, or even TikToks. Maybe you're reaching a 13 to 18-year-old demo. Your brand needs to be on platforms your target audience is at. That said, while diversification is essential, be careful not to be overextending yourself and streamline as much as possible. This is because you won't have the time to maintain consistency and engagement otherwise. Athletes can easily accomplish this by creating a well-developed content calendar with workouts, nutrition content, posted and shared across multiple mediums. So why not? Many athletes share their workouts on Instagram, so why not you? Today is the day to expand your fan base, strengthen your social media game, increase your revenue, and build your brand identity. Many athletes jump ahead and focus on sponsorships and building their fan base. However, neither can be accomplished without first engaging with your audience. By engaging with your audience, you build a dedicated group of fans who will follow your career on the rise and indicate that you're appreciating their passion and interest in you as an athlete and an individual. An easy way to accomplish this is simply sharing more information about your personal life on social media. Poll the fans on workout routines, nutrition plans, and what kind of content they like to see more of. It's paramount to be genuine in your interactions and not take a one-size-fits-all approach. Individuals are just that, individuals after all. Interact with fans in a personalized manner. Create nutrition plans and exercise routines tailored to multiple body types, and it will pay off. Overall, if you're an athlete and you're looking to grow your fan base in that realm, you really just want to create value, and this goes for any realm. Creating value for your audience is another reason athletes Instagram their workouts. Your audience is interested in appreciating you for what you are and the value that you bring to the table. By showcasing your area of expertise, you're serving as a coach and mentor, while showing your audience what they're capable of if they follow in your footsteps. As an athlete, you create value for your audience when you create workouts that are efficient, relevant, and tailored to people's specific goals. At the end of the day, while Instagram is an excellent medium to share your workouts, it's also important to remember that it isn't a fitness app. It is a social platform where athletes can create a following and show people what it takes to be an elite level performer. That said, perhaps this is exactly what you're looking for, making this the perfect solution to showcase what you're already doing, expand your personal brand, engage with your followers, and create that value. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can truly change the game, again, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps out the channel. Now, this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.